In the Middle West, winters are incredibly cold, and summers can be hot and humid. Unstopped by landforms like mountains, winds blow hot air across the plains in the summer. In the winter, the cold winds just add to the already cold temperatures. There are no ocean breezes in the Middle West to cool down the land during the summer. And in the wintertime, the nearest warm air is hundreds of miles away. The Middle West states that border the Great Lakes get some of the same effects they would get if they bordered an ocean. Cool air comes off the lakes in the summer, and warm air comes off the lakes in the winter. Because of this lake effect, the climate is milder near the Great Lakes than in other parts of the Middle West. The climate in the Middle West can be a challenge to the people who live there, but people have met that challenge. Indoor malls are built in the Middle West so that people can shop without worrying about the extremely cold or hot weather. Some schools in the Middle West open to a central hall, so students don't have to put on coats to go from class to class. Still, this climate is one of the things that makes this region so good for growing corn, wheat, and other crops. But with the cold weather and short growing season, farmers must be careful about when they plant their crops. And the heat and cold are not the only challenges for farmers here. Most places on the Central Plains receive a lot of rain, about 20 to 40 inches per year. But the Great Plains receive much less rain, less than 20 inches per year. This dry climate is perfect for growing wheat. In the Great Plains, too little rain can destroy many crops. When little or no rain falls in an area, it is in a drought. The Great Plains can also have dangerous weather. The flat land offers very little protection from strong winds. In the winter, winds and cold temperatures can cause a blizzard. A blizzard is a snowstorm driven by strong, freezing winds. Storms of frozen raindrops, called hailstorms, drop lumps of ice that can bring great destruction. Tornadoes have the strongest winds in the world. These windstorms form funnels of wind that rotate and move across the ground, destroying almost everything in their paths. Tornadoes are sometimes called cyclones or twisters. Sadly, tornadoes are common to the Middle West states.